Hello, this is Richard from the Library System of Lancaster County, and today we're going to be talking about applying fund codes for the items that you order. And what the fund code does is it automatically adds a call number, an I-type, and a location code to the item record, speeding up the process. Alright, let's find out how to add these fund codes. To start off, you definitely need to add items to your order list. The change comes on this page, on the edit page. You're going to need to click on the lower right-hand side of the item. It says Grid Info. A pop-up box will appear with a pull-down menu. Now this pull-down menu will contain all the fund codes. Select the correct fund code and then click Apply Template. This will open another pop-up box, and you'll notice that the Millennium Fund Code is displayed here, as well as the quantity of the item. It's important to note that your default quantity will always be 1, so if you want multiple copies of an item, change it here. Alright, so once you've completed that, click Complete, and now the item in your cart should say this item has specific grid info applied, and the Remove Grid option becomes available. So there you have it. That's our first process for applying fund codes. Okay, let's take a look at the other method now. Now the second method actually involves not just one item, but it applies the fund code to the entire cart. This method is not recommended for orders that have mixed materials. For example, carts containing both fiction and non-fiction. This wouldn't work very well. But for a cart containing all easy readers, or a cart containing all biographies, this would be perfect. Once you have a list, and it contains items of the same type, you'll notice there's a drop-down menu here that says Choose Grid Template. Select the fund code you want to apply to all the items in the cart, and then click Apply Template. It's important to note that all your items will have a default quantity of 1. If you want to change this, simply go to the item you want, click Grid Info, and then from here, you'll be able to change the quantity. Press Complete. We've successfully applied fund codes to the items we want to order. Two important things we want to note before closing out though. First, please do not apply any fund codes to adult fiction standing orders or adult inspirational standing orders. So don't apply any fund codes to these. And secondly, if you cannot find a fund code that matches the item you're looking for, select the closest match and then email dpeterson@lancasterlibraries.org and Don will take care of you.